Now normally the doors behind me would be double bolted and triple guarded, but today we are actually shooting on Christmas Day, so of course it's a very festive spirit and I'm feeling a bit generous. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek into something that normally is unseen. Follow me. Now we have convinced a very picky Vikram Bawa, who is India's finest fashion and now car photographer, to help us with this Volvo S60 shoot. And of course he knows a thing about aesthetics, about technology, and he's a car enthusiast himself. So Vikram, you have spent a lot of time amongst high fashion models. What do you think about our model today?
I think it's the best model I'm shooting in my career.
Really?
Oh well, little too much, but yeah, I love the car. And I love the way the front is now, the stance is beautiful. So I'm excited to do this. Yes.
Alright, so the man said he's excited. Let's get this shot lit.
The S60 has a classic sports sedan silhouette, but with all the inherent qualities of any Volvo, like safety, technology, and a sense of reassurance. So the idea is to try and illustrate that aspect visually on the cover of our Jan 2021 issue. While shooting a car can take many hours of hard work to get the lighting on the outside right, on the inside, it's a whole different story.
So these are the Boss seats, orthopedically designed, electrically adjustable.
No, it's got a memory function. I can get into the right position.
This is not that kind of a shoot, Vikram. But if you do want to get into the mood, I can try and introduce Mr. Mozart into this mix and turn the chaos outside into a concert inside. It's got this amazing sounding 14 speaker system.
Let's do that. I'd love to listen to the music, though I wish I had better company.
Well, sorry, but today you have Mozart in me. But what do you think about the cabin design? I think it's a nice mix of Scandinavian with modern.
I love it. I mean, whatever you say, I love the understated, feel of the car. I love the way the grays are there. I totally love the little retro feel, but still modern. And these are like fantastic. I mean, look at the feel, the finish.
Everything is so well damped and it just works so smoothly that you know that people have put a lot of thought behind details.
Yeah, I love the space I'm getting when I'm sitting over here. I mean, it's super comfortable. Feels like a larger car than a normal, the size it is. It does definitely feel like a much bigger car.
Well, so we've done enough of talking inside the car. Should we get back to work? Let's shoot.
What seems like a pretty standard automotive shoot is soon to be given the stuff treatment in post-production. So everything has to be planned to the T on the production stage.
So Vikram, what are you trying to achieve with your lighting here?
The way we are looking at the cover is that the Volvo S60 keeps everyone safe. I mean, it's the safest car, one of the safest cars in the world. We're going to have a world at the edge of destruction and you're still going to be safe driving this car. So I'm shooting the car as the base image, which will later be, composited in an interesting way to give you a very cinematic feel. So I'm actually very excited because, the way we are all thinking about the cover, and I'm sure it's going to come out like that, everybody's going to love it. I'm looking forward to this.
The Volvo S60 is all about sheer comfort and cutting-edge safety. The seats, the control system, and that stupendous sounding Harman Kardon hi-fi system. Then comes the adaptive cruise control and emergency brake assist, both of which can prove invaluable on our busy Indian streets or highways. And lastly, the smoothness of the drivetrain. It's clear that this S60 is all about the plushness.
While the world seemed like it had turned upside down in 2020, the start of the new year seems a lot more promising with a beauty like this, the Volvo S60 that is also going to be gracing the cover of the January issue of Stuff magazine. Thanks for joining us on this sneak peek behind the scenes, and I hope you have as much fun reading the magazine as much as we had putting it together.
So, this must be the 100th cover I've shot with Stuff magazine, and this was the last shot of the day, and I'm sure it's going to be one of our most iconic covers. Totally love the lighting. Okay guys, we're going to go pack up over here. Pack up everyone, let's go. Lights off.
But इसमें you don't need a software.
वो imaging edge डाला ना?
अच्छा वही चलेगा.
क्या हो गया? Old हो गया? Just to tell you guys, this man's gone old. But I still love working with him and his team.
He likes working with old people generally, who have the same back problems, who have the same heart issues.
We've gone through stuff together.
Band of brothers.